Aadun is a popular snack among the Yorubas, especially Jebu people. The name Aadun means sweetness, and it is one of the most important items you will find on many bride price lists for Yoruba traditional weddings. This snack is so significant and it is customary to serve it at weddings, naming ceremonies, freedoms, and so on. It is made from roasted dry corn, dried chili, salt, and palm oil. Even if you bring 1,000 tubers of yam and Aadun is not there, I am not sure you're going to get a wife. So take note if you're looking to pluck flour from Yoruba land. After roasting the corn on low heat, I allowed it to cool before blending with my powerful rock power blender. Anything you need to blend, this blender will crush it. You need to get one for yourself. After blending, I added some salt, mixed, and proceeded to stir in the palm oil, which I warmed up a little for easy mixing. I have since turned off the stove. I allowed it to rest for a bit so it can firm up, and I cut into desired shapes. You can wrap leftovers in leaves to enjoy later as a snack or with beans. It is very delicious. Let me know if you know this snack in the comments. Thanks for watching.